Oh. Good job. Oh, fuck. That wasn't good. And that just pops off. Cool. Cool. Right, I need to go and warm this bike up because I need to change my oil. Let's get out of the city. Why do people do 30? And it's 60. There's a lot of gravel on these roads. Alright. I guess my engine's warm enough. Let's just go home. I mean, it's probably warm enough 10 minutes after leaving my house. Riding with no earplugs really is not going to do... It's really not going to do my ears much good. I thought my exhaust was loud, but the guy behind me on his Aprilia is mental. It's like, I can't even hear my own bike anymore. Never mind. It's not about the sound. Well, it is about the sound, because it sounds fucking awesome. Can we go, please? Yeah? Please. Look at that. Man, that is a sweet machine. Well, I thought I was going to be able to take this pan off without taking these bars off, but it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to. That's really, really quite frustrating. I thought this would just about fit but it doesn't. That's very annoying. Okay, well, live and learn. Didn't have this problem on my old bike. On my old bike, I didn't have this pan. Ooh. Not going to show every single bolt because it's quite clear where they are when you're looking at the bloody thing. It's not really a how-to video anyway. It's just me changing my oil. Wow, this bolt is hot. I need a couple of Allen keys. Fuck's sake, why don't they come with... There's one thing that this set doesn't come with. It's Allen keys. Does that fit in there? No. So what's the point? Does that fit in there? No, of course it doesn't. Like this set that comes with your KTM bike, it's pretty good. You know, it's got everything you need, except for the Allen keys for those. It doesn't come with any Allen keys, any Allen head bolts. Stupid, really. Luckily, I do have my own, but still, it's hardly the point. Wonder how much KTM charged to do this. My first run-in service was like I want to say £380, which is absolutely ridiculous to change the filter and the oil. And my bike is due its service in 3,000 miles. And my trip is 6,000 miles. So I want to do this myself before I go away. And then I'll consider getting my little stamp from the dealership. Although I probably won't, because it's a lot of money and most people can just do this themselves. Right, there we go. Do it from the other side, shall we? I expect my pan to drop on the floor. Oh, there's 2 more bolts here. Okay. There's another one. It seems that there's 2 plastic bolts on the fuel tank covers, I guess. Any more for any more? And it just pops off. Very good. Wow, that cover is actually really quite thin. All right. How does this come off? Screw there. That's there. Looks like this is coming off. Just clips off. All of this for an oil change. Right, where's that clipping on? Here. Bear in mind, I've not read any instruction manuals for this. And that just pops off, cool. Now we have full view of everything. So all I've done is taken off the engine guards, taken off the belly pan, which is over there. It weighs nothing. I don't know what that's going to protect. Taken off the cover to the vents, taken off the fuel tank protector. So now I can see my oil. Where is it? There. It's too fucking bright. So now I can see my oil. and all the other bits that I need to take out. So I need to take out that, that, and that. And when I do, I'll tip it on its side, let it all drain out for a bit. Cool. Apologies for the noise. Wrapping some tin foil around this because I don't want to get oil all over the pipe. Blimey. Good job. That is coming out like liquid because it's warm, which is good. No metallic elements on the magnet, that's even better. That's what we like. Let that drain out. We need to do the big one now, don't we? Definitely don't drop these into your little oil pan. And also don't do them up too tight because you'll snap them. Definitely torque them to the spec in your manual because you'll regret it if you don't. I'm not going to show that because this isn't a tutorial video. Cool. You always manage to get some on the floor. Stay there. That's pretty warm. Okay. I don't know why it's that shape though. When it came out like that, it looks all right though. To be honest, the oil looks pretty clean. It's pretty dark, but it looks all right. Do the other one. Lovely. Oh, fuck. That wasn't good. Let's let that out a little bit slower. So filter is looking pretty good. Awesome. I'll just leave that there for a bit. Go and wash my fucking hands. It's always hard. You always think, this time when I change my oil, I'm not going to get it anywhere. And then, obviously, you just get it everywhere. I bet this doesn't go well. Still managed to get oil on the exhaust. That was a good old failure. Now we're going to refill it with the juice that it came with. Bit of Motor X. Let's dump one in. Second one. Third one. Just let it settle for a moment. And then we'll put half of the last one in. And then I think it's like 3.6, but then like up to the top of the glass, almost. Yeah. I think we'll keep it there. It's in the middle of the last notches. Yeah, we'll keep it there. Cool, job done. Right, that's an oil change complete. I don't need to record putting the bike back together because this is not a tutorial. This is just me changing my oil and my tyres. They're nice and warm now, so I can change those probably quite easily, I reckon. And job's a good one, so let's finish this video right here, at least until I change my tyres. Let's put the bike back together first.